Hey friends, welcome back to Yum's Kitchen. Today we're making a vegan mushroom stroganoff. Cozy, rich, and perfect for a slow, comforting dinner. This one feels a little elevated, but it's still very easy to make. Here's everything you'll need. Simple ingredients that come together into something really cozy. We'll start by cooking the mushrooms and onion until everything is soft and lightly browned. This is where all that flavor builds. Next, we'll add the garlic and a little Dijon mustard to deepen the flavor and bring everything together. Now we'll add the vegan sour cream to make everything creamy and smooth. Just let it melt into the mushrooms. We'll serve this over wide noodles. They're perfect for holding on to that creamy sauce. This is one of those meals that feels rich and comforting without being heavy. Simple ingredients, really big flavor. For the full recipe, check out the pinned comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.